We are reading for the sign of Virgo. So what you guys can expect. Right now, many of you guys could be feeling like you are in a helpless situation. You wanted growth in this connection in the past, I believe, but right now you feel like you cannot do much about it. Okay. With Queen of Pentacles, many of you could be just wanting to stay focused on yourself, just wanting to nurture yourself, possibly give time to yourself, fix yourself, heal yourself. Okay. With Ten of Swords, you guys feel like you have been like backstabbed by this person. This person cheated you, not in a way like a third party, but like they'll literally put you down in some situation. Okay. So what else we see coming up for Virgo people, spirit? What else we see coming up for Virgo? What do we truly see coming up for Virgo, please? What do we see coming up for Virgo? We have Two of Wands, which tells me that many of you guys are at crossroads. Okay, you guys are looking forward towards your future, your what's coming next in your life. You guys are wanting to move forward. Many of you guys have an option, one that you are not wanting to focus on, and one you are wanting to focus on. Okay, for some of you, you are still going through some sleepless nights, not getting proper sleep, wanting to look forward but still not being able to completely move on or let go of the past. Okay, on some which level I still feel like you are not wanting to give up, you are still wanting to hold on. Okay, what else? With Wheel of Fortune, you feel like there is something better coming in for you. You feel it, you know it, that you can get someone new, brand new, who's going to be a lot better than this. Some of you might already have an option, like someone you could possibly get into a relationship with, but the past connection that you were a part of, the soulmate, which has been up absolutely going up and down, has still your interest in some which way. Okay, so spirit, what else is coming up for Virgo for the next 2 weeks? What else is coming up for Virgo for the next 2 weeks? Overall, spirit, give me one card for the overall. Overall, I feel for many of you that after feeling left out in the cold by this person, of feeling like this person is not going to choose you in the future, or there's nothing left in the connection, or nothing possibly that you could look forward to, I feel like you will finally decide to break free and do the practical thing of moving forward, or choosing someone better in your life. With Justice card, you are wanting balance, you are wanting to speak the truth, you're wanting to move forward. Okay, and with Two of Wands, you do have options, and you're wanting to look forward to it now. Okay, so if you have a soulmate, let's start your soulmate spread now. One card for what's really happening between Virgo and their soulmate. What's the energy like? One card for the energy between Virgo and their soulmate now. One card for the energy like between Virgo and their soulmate now. Right now with the Empress card, I believe that many of you guys are going through lots of ups and downs, and five of wands at the bottom. For some of you, there might be a third party interference in terms of a partner, or in terms of a parent or a best friend. Those best friends, they always come in between. But whatever it is, I feel like you both want to grow with each other, but there is a lot to resolve in this connection. You have to work on many things that many of you guys might want to, but your other person, your partner, might not be exactly ready. In the past, you guys really felt like this connection could have gone somewhere, but right now it's so chaotic and so confusing, and it's so messed up that you'll have to work a lot to get back together. Okay, but the collective energy still remains the Empress. I believe that on some which level, you guys are not exactly wanting to give up. Okay, you really look up for this connection, you really wished this connection worked for you. Okay, one card for your partner's energy towards you now. Virgo soulmates energy towards Virgo. Virgo soulmates energy towards Virgo. One card for Virgo soulmates energy towards Virgo, please. Card for Virgo soulmates energy towards Virgo, please. What's Virgo soulmates energy towards Virgo now, spread? your partner wants to come towards you, okay, they still feel like you are someone who understands them, who validates them, someone who gets them. Like, it's easy for you to understand this person. This person is actually a very complex individual, but you get them, And so this person, I believe, wants to come towards you. I believe for some of you, this person is also upset for something. This person is always upset, I believe. For some of you, this person has A in their chart, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, but I believe on some which level that they are not wanting to quit on you, okay. On some which level they are still wanting to be a part of you, okay. This person might have been in and out of your life, but this person has never wanting to quit on you, never wanting to give up on you, okay. With Knight of Swords, I still see them coming forward to you, okay. In terms of spirit, one card for how are they going to come forward towards Virgo now. How are they possibly going to come forward towards Virgo now? One card for how's the Virgo soulmate possibly going to come forward towards Virgo now. With Ace of Wands, I feel this person misses you a lot, okay. They do have regrets with the past mistakes and things that happened between the two of you. Top card we have here is Page of Swords. Right now they might not be exactly communicating with you, but they're keeping a watch on you, stalking you, like keeping a watch on your social media. Maybe some of you might be also like getting few likes from them, like, on social media they're watching your picture, liking your picture. Some of them might even be commenting on your picture. But I do feel on some which level that they're wanting a restart with you, okay. They're wanting to press the restart button now, okay. They never wanted to give up on you, but things happened, things got chaotic. I believe this person that you are connected with gets a lot of attention, and attention on either side is a problem. Your side as well and their side as well. You both get a lot of attention, and that's always been a problem, okay. Jealousy could be one issue here, but majorly I feel like you guys have unresolved issues which you guys have to face. If you do not face, the connection is going to go in circles, okay. With Ace of Wands, it tells me that your person wants a passionate new beginning with you. So I feel like they will want to start something with you in the near future. Near future as in the next few weeks, okay. One card for what are they possibly hiding from you now. What's the Virgo soulmate possibly hiding from Virgo? One card for what's the Virgo soulmate possibly hiding from Virgo now. One card for that, please. For some of you, if this person was a part of a third party, or they were up for something, that thing is very much come to an end. It does not have a future. That thing has ended, okay. If you feel like your person is in a third party and they were entertaining someone else, or they were going forward towards some other journey or something, then that thing is already over, or it's getting over. With Five of Pentacles, it really did not get to a point where they could look up to it, okay. Right now, one more card we have is the Sun card. So they are kind of freeing themselves from that connection or whatever situation that they were a part of, okay. I do see them on some which level coming forward. They might not be telling you this, that connection has already ended, or that connection is over, or did not get anyway. With Five of Pentacles, it did not get anyway. It wasn't a success, it was a failure, okay. So one more card for what are their intentions towards you now. One card for what's the Virgo soulmate's intentions towards Virgo. One card for Virgo soulmate's intentions towards Virgo spirit. One card for Virgo soulmate's intentions towards Virgo now. With the Moon card, I still feel like they are very fearful of you. They are still hiding things from you, not really wanting to express their feelings and stuff. I believe that if, whenever this person is around you, they are not someone who's very expressive. They want to be with you, they want to spend time with you, they also communicate with you. But communication is all about, the daily things, maybe a lot of a small passionate talks here and there, but nothing about feelings and future and stuff like that, okay. So this person is very fearful of opening up about and wanting to express like what they truly feel for you, okay. With the Moon card, they are still wanting to keep certain things hidden. Just like I told you, they are hiding things from you that the past, whatever they were part of, that did not go their way, okay. Maybe they are fearful that you'll make fun of them, or you won't accept them after they moved in a different direction, okay. Give me one more card for what action are they wanting to take towards Virgo now. What action they possibly want to take towards Virgo now. With Ace of Cups, this person definitely wants a return. We have two aces here, Ace of Cups and Ace of Wands, which tells me that this person is definitely wanting a return, or definitely wanting a reunion, definitely wanting to get back. As of now, I believe many of you might not have communication. They might be stalking you, giving you signs or signals that they're wanting to communicate or start communication, but not exactly have started it yet. Okay. With Two of Cups, they want to get back with you. Okay. I feel for many of you, you guys will be together this month. If it's not for the next 2 weeks, with the next few, like the 3-4 weeks, I believe you guys will be back. There will be certain delays because this person is very fearful of opening up. Okay, but I do feel on a very strong note that they will want to move in your direction now. Okay, so one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward. Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Virgos? Where is this connection possibly moving forward? Some of you are connecting with a Pisces or a Cancer maybe. Where is this connection possibly moving forward, Spirit? Where is this connection possibly moving forward? Three of Cups, you guys will come back together. Okay, I said it, I mean it, I saw it. Okay, with Eight of Swords, right now you guys are in a helpless situation. You cannot free yourself, neither can you move forward towards them, neither can you free yourself. So you are just staying where you are. I believe even you have options, even they've had options, but their options did not really work for them. Did not really click for them. So right now their feelings towards you, right now their true feelings towards you, if we have the Temperance, so some of you might be dealing with a possibly a twin flame. Okay, with Temperance card, this person wants to get back with you. Okay, they have mutual feelings for you. Sometimes in the past they might have not really expressed it, but you guys do share a mutual bond. Okay, some of you are connecting with a Sagittarius. Okay, but right now they are feeling a little hurt that you are not around them. Okay, they want you, they want to get back with you, they want to reunite with you. Okay, and with the Temperance card, I do feel like this connection was this feelings that you have for each other is mutual. You both share the same bond. Okay, with Five of Wands, in the past things were chaotic because of the options that you guys had or have had, or because of the attention you guys got. Okay, the jealousy could have been a main factor of getting you guys separated. Things were not exactly balanced. Okay. One card for what do they possibly want from you? What do they possibly want from you now? Right now they want you to accept their offer. In the past, this seemed to be a lost opportunity, but it is not. They are wanting you to reconsider. They are wanting you to reconsider this connection. They are wanting you to open up. Okay, and they are very much wanting you to take action. Okay, so coming back to your soul messages, what does the Virgo soulmate want to say to Virgo now? Their secret messages or their soul messages to Virgo? Give me two cards, Spirit. Give me two cards for that. I was unsure about this, so they were very fearful of the future of this connection. That's the reason why they were holding back for some of you. I was still unsure about this. Okay, and yes, I did you wrong. I regret it. Okay, so they know that they did the wrong thing. Spirit, give me one more card. Hug me and never let me go. Okay, that's the last card. Hug me and never let me go. Okay, in the past they had chosen their work life, or they chose a easier life, or easier connection. In the past they definitely had choices, and they could not make a choice between you and someone else, and they chose an easier, they went forward towards an easier option, I believe. Okay, right now they are wanting you to choose them or reconsider this connection, so that you guys could have something together again. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Virgo. If this resonated, darling, please do consider hitting the like button. It greatly helps my channel. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and thanks for coming in. It means a lot. See you soon. Cheers.